Hi everyone, kamusta? Welcome to part 6, the finale of our London Autumn Walk series. Tonight, we're exploring the lively streets of Leicester Square and Piccadilly Circus. Isa ito sa mga pinaka-busy at pinaka-colorful na spots dito sa London. Tara, samahan nyo kami sa chill night walk na to, full of lights, sounds, and cozy city vibes. And here we are in Leicester Square, isa sa mga pinaka-lively spots dito sa London, lalo na sa gabi. You can easily get here via Piccadilly line or Northern line and get off at Leicester Square station. It's also walking distance from Covent Garden and Piccadilly Circus. It's a perfect spot kung gusto nyo mag-explore ng West End nightlife. Dahil sa weekend, ang daming tao, super lively ng atmosphere. You can really feel that London weekend energy. Leicester Square is known for its cinemas, restaurants, and nightlife. We can easily say it is the Times Square ng London. We're passing by one of the two Jollibee branches dito sa London. It can get really busy in there, especially during weekends. Kung gusto nyong makita yung isa sa Earl's Court, check out my Jollibee Langhap Sarap day video. Link is in the description below. Leicester Square is also known for its cinemas, restaurants, and nightlife. This is where movie premieres are held. Sometimes may red carpet pa. Ang ganda ng atmosphere, lively but still cozy dahil autumn evening. And of course, just like in the Philippines, kung may Jollibee sa area, there's always a McDonald's nearby. Pinoys call it McDo, pero dito, the locals call it Mackey's or Mackies. Also in view, you can see the UK favorite Greg's with its famous sausage rolls and savory pastries. One of our go-to spots kapag gusto namin ng quick lunch or just coffee and donut. All super affordable. Also, in Leicester Square, you have the famous M&M's World and Lego store, which you can also find in other famous cities like New York.
To the Caribbean.
From Leicester Square, konting lakad na lang papunta sa Piccadilly Circus. Parang version nila ng Times Square sa New York, although mas maliit lang. You can actually see the lights beaming from the LED screens from here. We actually took a little detour before reaching Piccadilly Circus, heading towards Rupert Street. We're just going to check out what pubs and shops are around here before we make our way to Piccadilly Circus. Here you can get a glimpse of the other parts of Leicester Square with its famous theaters and lively nightlife. It's the perfect place to catch a show or just chill and feel the vibe ng London. I really do hope you've enjoyed all parts of my Autumn Walk series. If you're still here, a massive thank you. Maraming salamat po for all your support. Watch out for my next series as we visit Vienna during the autumn season with my family. Stay tuned, we still have more for this walk. London becomes really lively. Even the less busy streets are full of life with nightlife vibes, pubs and bars buzzing everywhere. And here we are, we're about to show you yung LED screens dito sa Piccadilly Circus. Dito sa Piccadilly Circus, nagsimula ang illuminated signs noong pang 1908. Ngayon, LED screens na ang gamit at isa sila sa pinaka-famous sa buong mundo. Kasama na yung LED screens sa BGC sa Philippines, Times Square in New York at Shibuya Crossing in Tokyo. And of course, napansin na natin din yan kanina, yung sightseeing bus. But of course, the iconic red double-decker buses dito sa London. Perfect for sightseeing or kahit simpleng ride lang around the city. And wow, ang dami ng horns honking dito sa Piccadilly Circus. Super lively talaga ng vibes. And check out the LED screens. Ang bright at colorful, talagang buhay na buhay sa gabi. Also, check out these street performers. Ang galing nila at super fun panoorin habang naglalakad ka dito. Doesn't it these performers have a good voice? Ang galing nila talaga. After that long walk, balik na tayo ngayon sa Leicester Square. Thank you if you've been joining me from part 1 hanggang ngayon. Sobrang saya kong nakasama kayo sa London Autumn Walk series. Medyo malamig na pero ang ganda pa rin ng vibe ng city at night. So that's it for the finale of our London Autumn Walk. I hope you've enjoyed exploring London's autumn vibes with me. From parks to landmarks to city nights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch out for my Vienna series coming soon. Sa uulitin, stay joyful everyone. Bye!